was too much. I held your hair back when you were troubled. Then you smiled over your shoulder. For a minute I was stone cold sober. I pulled you closer to my chest, and you asked me to stay over. I said I already told you. I think that you should get some rest. I knew I love you then, but you never know. 'Cause I played it cool when I was scared of letting go. I know I needed you, but I never showed. I wanna stay with you until we're great old. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. I'll wake you up with some breakfast in bed, and I'll bring you coffee with a kiss on your head. And I'll take the kids to school, wave them goodbye, and I'll thank my lucky star for that night. When you look over your shoulder, for a minute I forget that I'm older. I wanna dance with you right now. Oh, and you look as beautiful as ever, and I swear that every day you get better. You make me feel this way somehow. I'm so in love with you, but I have you now. Darling, your love is more than a word, it's weight of gold. We've come so far, my dear. Look how we've grown, and I wanna stay with you until we're great old. Just say you won't let go. Just say you won't let go. I wanna live with you even when we're crushed. 'Cause you were always there for me when I needed you most.